Hey there, Faith here. I'm making the sound that a sheep makes. This is how the sheep says, hello. This is how the sheep says goodbye. And this is how the sheep says, you're watching Nick Jr. Next, it's Mickey Mouse Clubhouse.